accidentally pushed the unrecord button. Let me get a close up on this bitch.
No, show us this.
Let me get a close up on this bitch.
Upside down.
Look at that.
Upside down.
Look at that. Just fucking nature, bitches.
Let's go flip it upside down.
There's people who live here. And they like, I mean, no chasers. They chased me before. Move, asshole. Oh, dang, that thing. Wow. Turtles, people think turtles are slow. They're actually pretty fast. When they're swimming.
I actually like turtles, but I don't like people picking them up.
Where do you think you're going, cocksucker? I mean, my bad. He's kind of trapped.
Go pick
Who do you think will win, that turtle or snake?
Snake.
The turtle would win, but it wouldn't kill it. It would just hide in its fucking shell. So the snake would give up. Oh, hell no, there's a hole right there. Oh, hell no.
Go get him. Put him on the lawn. It's like me, bitch, but I don't do.
No, let it go. No, let it in on the wood. Let it just go on the wood. No. You guys close, bitch. Let me get that close up. Touching.
Oh, you can take pictures while you're recording.
Hell yeah.
That is nature.
This one. I don't say it. Watch out, Aiden.
Oh yeah, suck it. Make out with it. Kiss it on its tail.
Bye, guys.